Welcome to 30 Johnson Links Way, a rarely available 1,900 square foot sandpiper model with everything you need for everyday living on one beautifully updated level, and a bonus loft with that extra space you crave for the grandkids and extended family. With a renovated kitchen, hardwood and vinyl plank flooring, renovated and updated baths, and chic neutral decor, this house requires no effort. Move in and start loving the easy condo lifestyle that Swan Lake offers. Nestled in a great spot, close to the nearest satellite clubhouse with mail, visitor parking, pool, pickleball, and more, 30 Johnson Links Way offers a single car garage and drive and a sunny west-facing patio for an afternoon chat with the neighbors. Moving inside, you're greeted by a large front foyer with upgraded vinyl flooring, pot lights, skylight, direct access to the garage, and a front hall closet. The upgraded eat-in kitchen features the same vinyl flooring, sparkling white cabinets with ample storage space and pantry. There are quartz countertops with double undermount sink and pull-out tap, stylish glass backsplash, task lighting, upgraded pot lighting, a cutout overlooking the dining room, and upgraded stainless steel appliances including a built-in microwave hood fan, a slide-in smooth top stove, and a double-door fridge with bottom mount freezer. The breakfast area has a skylight above it, and the laundry is tucked conveniently away behind a closet door. The spacious living, dining, and solarium areas are totally open concept to allow a flexible floor plan. They feature a cathedral ceiling, hardwood flooring, cozy gas fireplace, California shutters, skylight, and a walkout to the private back deck. The dining room has an opening to the kitchen for seamless entertaining. The primary bedroom is located on the main level and has hardwood floors, pot lights, 2 closets, and windows with California shutters overlooking the greenery at the back. It is large enough to fit a king-size suite and has a large, totally renovated ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower stall with seat, rain shower head, and handheld shower head, built-in cabinet storage, vanity with quartz countertops and undermount sink, and 2 linen closets. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy. This has hardwood floors, a closet, and California shutters on the windows overlooking the front patio area. This room is located close to the second full private bathroom with updated flooring, vanity, and lighting. Not all sandpiper models in Swan Lake have lofts, and buyers tend to love them because they allow more natural light into the house, and they're a great bonus space on the upper level. This airy open concept space can function as a family room, an office or studio, or a fully private space for guests with a walk-in closet and a third full bathroom with updated vanity. The back deck is your private oasis all summer long, complete with a barbecue hookup. Surrounded by majestic trees, it's a leafy green paradise, nothing but the sound of the birds or the wind in the leaves as you while away a sunny afternoon. The basement is huge and unfinished, perfect for your storage or your dream rec room project. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit Station, Markham Stovall Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.